Hey there, it's Shelley Hart. Another episode of Kids and Cars Cruising for Kudos, brought to you by Lexus of Tacoma at 5, where I just left and have all the details on our next Super Kid that we're going to celebrate. And you won't believe the things that she's done for the homeless in Tacoma. And she's got her own website, and she makes these bracelets to raise money. Her name is Samara, and her adventure starts right here. And we're going to go get her right now. Before we get started, I got to give you one of my dad jokes. You ready for one of those?
Yeah.
I'm kind of famous for him now, don't you know? Okay, it's one of our knock-knock jokes. You ready? Okay. You go first.
Knock, knock.
Who's there? I got you! Okay, we're almost to our destination. Did anyone tell you where we were going?
No.
Because I heard that you also like thrills and excitement, and you're fearless. You ready for this?
Yes.
Look ahead. What do you see?
Wild waves.
Excited?
Yeah.
You okay? I thought I was the only one there for a second. Okay, so now that we have our Wild Waves tickets, we're gonna celebrate you and all the awesome things that you've been doing. I wanna know what your favorite ride is before we go in.
It's a Twisted Colossus.
What's that?
It's a big roller coaster.
A giant roller coaster?
Yeah.
Is it as cool as a Timber Rock here at Wild Waves?
No.
It's not, is it? You wanna go ride it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Valentine's Day, you did these care packages, right? And who did you give them to?
I gave them to the Nativity House.
And who else?
I also gave it to the Tacoma Rescue Mission.
And to a lot of the homeless around the Tacoma area, right? Which we appreciate. What all kinds of things do you put in those care packages?
Rain ponchos, blankets, toothpaste, toothbrushes.
Well, there's a lot of things in there. I know you put a lot of work into it, but you also raise money to purchase those things, and we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Because you know why? What do we see straight ahead?
The Timber Hawk.
The Timber Hawk! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah! Let's go! Come on! I'm terrified of roller coasters. Are you? That would be a good time to tell me if you were. Okay. Okay, be honest, were you a little scared?
The drops, I love drops. They make my stomach suck in, and I love that part of roller coasters.
Oh man, those drops are something. That was the best. And I was not kidding about getting something to eat because I'm a little hungry. What do you think about maybe some ice cream? Yeah. You're right, it does nice. What are you gonna go for?
Ooh, this is a hard decision. I don't know. Big.
Ooh, now that's ice cream cone.
Double chocolate vanilla.
Okay, sure?
Wait, no. Okay, now I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're positive.
Wait.
What do you want to play?
End zone.
End zone? Ooh! So close!
Cute.
What shall I name him? And you have here a whole bunch of bracelets that you have made, and this is how you raise money for your care packages that you give to the homeless, right? Let's see some of these bracelets. Wow, these are really cool. How long does it take you to make them?
The ones that are just one color and two colors, about 7 minutes.
Look at all these, and can people request certain colors?
Yep, whatever one you want. You can custom it.
Yeah, and what is your website?
artandhearts.com.
artandhearts.com. I have a surprise for you. See what that says? Remember earlier when we were singing in the car?
Rose in the hit Broadway musical.
In February.
That's when my birthday month is.
What? No. Who knew that? Don't ever stop thinking about others, okay? You have such a big heart. I don't even know how it fits in this little shirt of yours there, but your heart is so big, and we love you for that, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, but wait. There's more. We're gonna snap our fingers on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. What? Look at that! What is that?
$300.
That is a giant check on behalf of Lexus of Tacoma at 5. They wanted to celebrate you as well and say, what a super job you've done, Samara. You can spend that money however you like.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, and all the other people who have helped me.
Oh, you've got a thank you on top of it all. That right there priceless. And if you want to be a super kid, there's a lot of them out there. I know there's a lot of them, right? Text the word super, S-U-P-E-R, to 37667. Thank you for everything on behalf of Lexus of Tacoma. High five! I can't believe how much you screamed on that roller coaster.
I did not! I have questions for you.
Ew, what do you got?
Well, you're a radio DJ, right?
Yes.
How is that? Like, is that fun or?
You mean it's super fun. Look what I get to do. I get to interview super kids like you. Best JOB ever.
Where does 106.9's name come from?
It comes from the weather that we're standing in right now. It's warm outside, and warm hugs and teddy bear love and the music and kids like you. We love kids like you with a big warm heart.